Dear students, I am Lalji Singh Yadav, teacher Government Intermediate College Balia. Today I shall teach English to all the students of class 11th. So pay attention, all the students of class 11. Today we shall study lesson 1, My Struggle for an Education. As you know that this lesson has been started earlier, so today we shall continue the same lesson. In this lesson we shall study paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. In paragraph 2, the portion which we have to study is I resolved at once dash dash day and night. Paragraph 3, in the fall of 1872 dash dash a great deal. So these two paragraphs are to be studied today. So all the students open your book and see in your book paragraph 2 and the portion of paragraph 2. See in your book, I resolved at once to go to that school, although I had no idea where it was or how many miles away or how I was going to reach it. I was on fire constantly with one ambition, and that was to go to that institution. This thought was with me day and night. Now, third paragraph. In the fall of 1872, I determined to make an effort to get there. My mother was troubled with a grave fear that I was starting out on a wild goose chase. At any rate, I got only a half-hearted consent from her that I might start. I had very little money with which to buy clothes and pay my traveling expenses. My mother, my brother John helped me all that he could, but of course that was not a great. Now, two words which have come in this sentence: on fire means excited, very much excited. Consent means approval. Approval. These are two difficult words which have been used. Now, try to understand the explanation of this paragraph. Dear students, the writer Booker T. Washington, describing about himself, is telling that he became very eager to go to Normal Agricultural Institute when he heard about that institution by the two miners working in the coal mines where he was working. Although he had no idea where to go and how to go and how he will reach there, it was unknown. He didn't know the way to reach there. But when he heard about that institution, that institution was a very good institution for study for the colored people, he at once decided to go there. And it was only one of the writer to go to that institution. For that, he was trying his best. He thought day and night, the whole of the day and the whole of the night. He remained thinking about that institution. So this is about that paragraph. Now the next paragraph, that is in the fall of 1872, its explanation will be continued tomorrow. Thank you.